it begins here. A calm breath beneath open skies, where nature meets design and every moment is shaped with intention. This is Arlington Park, taking shape in Dubai land, wrapped in green, built for tomorrow. A place where daily life will slow down, with rooftop pools, open views, and spaces designed for balance. Fully furnished homes planned with soft light, crafted for comfort and calm. Spaces to gather, to move, to pause, from gym to pool. Your lifestyle reimagined. This is not just another address. It's a promise of what living well can be, rooted in nature, elevated by design. Arlington Park by Majid Developments.